My design thesis is about School of Performing Arts, which is highly demanded in Bihar. Since there is no such facilities in eastern India, so this proposed campus is the first in this region. This is not only a school, but this campus shall be catering to the whole performing artists of Bihar to perform and also to interact. Major international and national level theatre festivals, music festivals, and dance festivals can be held in this campus, as well as workshops can be conducted, and apart from that, libraries, archives, rehearsal spaces can be used by the theatre and performing art practitioners at local level. Site is located in Patna and it's in a newly developed education hub at Katbigaya. The main road on the east, at the north is a flyover which gives a bird eye view of the site. At the south is a driveway, and on the west, old power substation. And at the north, additional road adjacent to the site exists. The slide shows site analysis, sun path, wind direction, approach road around, probability of accessibility to the site. Talking about the concept, inferences were taken from regional history, Nalanda ruins, Buddha stupa, concept of courtyards. These elements were considered in the proposed design. Exposed brick from Nalanda ruins, courtyard from the concept of stupa, which is a place, a origin from where the enlightenment begins. These are some design ideas I considered during the design process, like introverted planning, hierarchy of spaces, independent entries to the different blocks, converting negative spaces to the positive ones, and etc. This slide shows the basic zoning of the site and the circulation inside the site. Entry from the main road along the main axis is the entrance of the building, along which is the central courtyard. At the end of the courtyard, you can see the open air theatre, below which is the cafeteria connected by semi-open corridor around the courtyard. This is the intimate theatre, and after that you get another entry to the building outside the block for dance department. This is all ground plus one structure building. There is a two-wheeler parking space, and upper side you can see boys hostel, girls hostel, and in between there is dining space which can be shared by both. This is the auditorium, and this is the entry to the drama and music block. These are some detailed drawings which are plans, sections, elevations and views of my thesis project. Entrance block, drama and music block, dance block and intimate theatre, central courtyard with OAT, green lawn and cafeteria, auditorium of seating capacity 500, boys hostel, girls hostel and dining area, faculty apartment. So this was all about my thesis project, which was the School for Performing Arts. Thank you teachers, mentors and my guide for your guidance. Thank you so much.